I know I already talked about this in the previous video, but just wanted to go back over it because it is pretty important in terms of like what your balance of essential fatty acids should be. So the balance between omega-6 fatty acids and omega-3 fatty acids, right? So here we see like the best recommendation is a 1-to-1. Pretty difficult. It was thought like as we evolved, that the ratio was 2-to-1 in terms of omega-6 to omega-3. The highest, the recommendation is really like a 4-to-1, but the average diet in like the Western world, if you will, like the UK is 8-to-1, US 10-to-1, Australia 12-to-1. So you can certainly see like we're well over that. And what are some of the ramifications? Well, you know, there's a lot of health issues that are starting to be linked to an improper ratio. So first and foremost, like just asthma. There's this increase in asthma throughout our society, and here you see like they've started to put a correlation between omega-3 and omega-6 balance being a main contributor to that, right? Along with that, some other health risks that come when you have a bad ratio or the inflammatory conditions. So asthma, right? So inflammation in the lungs and whatnot, and airway, eczema, psoriasis, right? Inflammatory bowel disease, which includes like Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis. Sorry about that. Osteoarthritis, even rheumatoid arthritis. So like some sort of genetic like arthritic condition, right? So we want to try to make sure that we're getting 1,000 milligrams of omega-3 per day. I'm not like here telling you, hey, you should supplement, but it's definitely not a bad thing to do. Although if you can afford to get nice cuts of seared tuna like they have here in this photo, I would highly recommend going that route. All right, well, thank you, and we'll be back soon.